Gives you a good example of different container sizes. Small containers all the way to one of the largest opening sizes for quite tall containers. I believe they're at about 12 inches tall. That particular shelf allows only for overly tall items, and that's the only one within this machine. And your other machines, again, different heights, different widths, different depths. Our computer software actually tracks. This is a good example. The actual containers stack themselves on this particular container better from a left to right instead of a front to back, where some of these larger containers are actually at full depth, using the entire depth of the machine.